You have a unique taste in coffee? Well, so do we. Now, we all know a good cup of coffee can make us instantly focus, free our minds, or maybe take pleasure in the little things in life. I prefer personally grinding it and brewing it with a selection of beans that I've collected over time. Now finally, with the SóloCano 6-in-1 portable coffee maker, you're gonna have everything you need to make good quality coffee.
We took months of testing and optimization to find the perfect formula for the perfect coffee on the go. The SóloCano seamlessly integrates grinder, kettle, drip, container, and stylish vacuum-insulated mug all in one. You'll be impressed by the handmade quality craftsmanship as well as the convenience it brings. SóloCano is easy to carry. The intelligent electric grinder is able to make up to 12 cups of coffee when fully charged. Put in your favorite beans, adjust the grinding level to best suit your needs from fine to coarse, and grind at the touch of a button. You can easily find the ideal extraction rate to ensure that every single cup of coffee has the best taste. The feeling of grinding beans by hand is genuinely amazing, especially when you're stressed. The lid can be transformed into its simple kettle, which is made of non-toxic PP materials. It's durable and super easy to clean. This stylish vacuum-insulated mug is made of seamless 316 stainless steel. No need to worry about your coffee going sour in minutes. At SóloCano, we aren't satisfied with anything less than the best. SóloCano allows you to enjoy drinking good coffee, but also the pleasure of making it. And you got to know that the secret to making good coffee is freshly made by you. Please back us on Indiegogo and fall in love with coffee once more with SóloCano. Thank you.